Delivery day, not a good start. So guys, here's the new build. Every time I try to start it, this happens. And then it just cuts. Oh man, I didn't clock that was smashed. Oh,
Oh my God, you just made a mess.
and what the hell is a performance pack? Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. There's an old saying that goes, the early bird catches all the worms. Well, it's just gone 7 AM and on Salvage Nation, we're not catching worms, we're catching new crazy builds. Look, I've been rebuilding the M2 competition. I've been rebuilding this bad boy, which is a stage 2 HPI Claire M140i. You guys said I've got too many BMWs. I just went and bought the Range Rover. That one, you seem to like it. Well, this one, I guarantee you're gonna like it even more. It's about to be delivered. Let's go check out the new build on Salvage Nation. And I'm gonna show you the plan because it's a monster plan that I've got coming up. So guys, delivery day, not a good start. Out of petrol already. Oh, that's behaving like it might have a ghost.
Ghost.
Yeah, I'm tired of this ghost nonsense, man. It's got a ghost, but what else can I see? It's got a, I thought it was a crazy exhaust. It's just got an exhaust back box delete. It's just a back box delete. Yep, I think this has got a ghost, man. Another ghost business. Hate it. Oh man, I didn't clock that was smashed. Oh, pan roof is smashed, guys. Pan roof is gone. Headlights gone. Maybe we can do something with that, I don't know. Damage down here, doesn't look too bad. But anyway, we'll go over the damage in a bit more detail once it's off the truck. But look in there, man, it's looking clean. Yes guys, so the GTI is off. Thanks to this guy, you made it look easy. Thank you for coming all the way down, brother. Get back safe. You don't need a toilet break, you don't need anything. I know you've been on the road for a long time. But yeah man, I'm happy with it. What do you think of it?
Yeah, I like it, yeah.
It's loud when you just started it, innit?
Yeah.
All right man, all the best, yeah? Take care. All right man. So guys, here's the new build. Come on man, look at this interior. Actually, you know what? Check it out. So guys, I went out and I picked up this Golf GTI for 14 grand. And I think I massively overpaid. As you watch this video, you'll understand why. As you can see, it's got some frontal and some side impact damage, but the rest of the car is actually in really good condition and we're gonna be breaking it down and I'm gonna be giving you a full walk around. But first, I've got a bit of an issue. Alright you guys, so automatic, it means I'm stuck. I need to get the car started. Every time I try to start it, this happens. And then it just cuts. So judging by that behavior, when I got my M2 recently, it turned out to have a ghost. I've got a similar feeling. And when it comes to ghosts, there's only one person I trust. Let's give Dennis from Lux Automotive a call. So you see that EPC light that's coming on? Front assistance not available. It's definitely got a ghost. And guess who's calling me back? Listen, sorry to put you on the spot. I'm recording for the channel. I just got that delivery. Have a look, and I think it's a deja vu situation, like just like the M2.
We found the ghost immobilizer inside the car.
Yeah.
We reset it.
Yeah. Put my new code in, start the car, and drive it, please. Nice. And then drive it now. So. Nah, bro, it's just like, yeah. So I said to them, the only person that I know to call is Dennis from Lux Automotive, bro. Oh. I need you to do something for me.
Does the key work?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll sort that out. We'll sort that out off camera.
Off camera. All right, guys, so Lux Automotive, we're gonna get this sorted and we're gonna be ripping this thing, man. We're gonna be ripping this thing. I'll put you guys down and let's see what we can come up with. Now, at that very moment, Ricky from the Living Life Fast channel pulled up, and I left a little Easter egg in that video, and only one person commented about the Golf. But anyway, we had an amazing time with Ricky. I'm sure you guys have seen the video, but if you haven't, go check it out. It's a major episode. He came down and yeah, been super busy doing big business stuff with him. Can't forget, we got this delivered today. This is a 2017, no, 68 is what?
2018.
2018.
Oh,
sorry.
67 is,
No, yeah,
2017, yeah.
Ignore me. 2017 Golf GTI with a performance pack. Like, what the hell is a performance pack? I don't know. If you know what comes standard in the performance pack, let me know in the comments down below.
I know.
But, George.
My brother's got one, bro.
No way.
Uprated Brobo brakes,
Okay.
big brake system.
Big brakes.
I think it's got an LSD.
I keep hearing, but why do you need the LSD in the front wheel drive?
No idea.
We're going to be doing big stuff with this. Big stuff, guys. This is going to be nuts. Firstly, let's walk around the car. I want to see everything that the car has to offer, and then we're going to be trying to find the ghost, just like we did on my M2 builds. So we're going to start from the rear. Have a look here. Look at these two big. What do you think of them bad boys?
They're sick.
Yeah, they're massive.
They're massive.
That
oh,
is.
little baby hands. Oh.
You got a few little chips and dings around here, but nothing too crazy. But it's not all smooth sailing, because I found something else today that I am actually really scared about. Have a look at the roof. Completely busted, man. Oh
my
that
God.
is mad.
Oh my God, you just made a mess.
I know, I didn't expect all of that. So now I need to figure out how to change that. If anyone knows how to change it, do let me know. But from the roof to the interior is very clean. You've got this massive, big business. Every time I'm going to be saying big business, look at this massive screen. And another thing, what made me really interested in this car is got the virtual cockpit. So happy with that. No airbag damage inside, literally just the glass. I thought the glass might have been from one of the windows. I didn't realize it's from the bloody pan roof. So I need to sort that out. I want to see if it starts, if it runs, if it drives. Let's take you to the front of the car. Nah, so it's not even trying to start no more.
It is, it's trying, there's a sound.
What?
It's
Click, click, click.
Clicking, yeah.
I need power. See, I knew the range will come in handy one day.
Big boy power.
Big power, big business.
Oh, not big boy
Just,
cables
yeah,
though.
not big enough.
Big boy cables.
Not big enough. Never heard that before. Front of the car don't even look too bad on the front. I've got it charging, I'm gonna get it all charged. I need a new front bumper, new headlight. There's no damage on the bonnet, and this wing's got a little bit of damage. We're gonna sort that out, get that all done. On this side, it's just really mucky, no damage. Rear end, no damage. This is big business, guys, big business. It looks amazing. Guys, let me know what you think of the car right now. Comment down below. What I need to do is, I got my instructions from my guy, Dennis at Lux Automotive. I'm gonna give you guys a little break from me talking. I'm gonna go have a look for this ghost. If I can find it, we should be able to disarm it, get the car started, and get some air in the tires, and I wanna take it for a little rip. So if any of you guys have ever seen a ghost immobilizer, it is so tiny, it's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. I was looking in all the usual places, and for the life of me, I was having no luck.
Many unbearable hours later.
Guys, look at it, pitch black. If I said it, you wouldn't believe me, so I got my phone. Look, why is it not focusing? 23:38, car's running, it's finally running. And guess what, I guessed it. It has definitely got a ghost, and I guessed it. So I've been putting out a few feelers on Instagram, a few people have gotten back to me, but you know, no one's really saying anything of any substance. And I was just here, messing about, and I guessed it. Alright you guys, so it's the next day here, and you saw the good news last night. I cracked the code. Now, I put a little feeler out on my Instagram, and last night, so many people were messaging saying, yeah, this is my car, or I know who owns this car. Okay, help. No one wants to help. But anyway, crack the code. The car's a little bit dirty, let's get it cleaned up, and then I want to make a parts list and continue to walk around the car and see exactly what's wrong with it. I'm going to show you the good and the bad, and we're going to be dissecting everything that's wrong with my new Golf GTI. I want to prove something to you, so... And you see, it's gone back to doing that, it's cutting off, ignition on, do my little dance. Wait, you saw the little flashing just now? That's the ghost disengaged. Guys, I'm sorry. That sounds atrocious. In the pictures, this is all covered with tape. I took the tape off and you can see there's a big dent on the roof. I never knew that was there, so I'm a bit worried about that. Now, worries aside, I was in high spirits. We actually got the car to start. The engine sounded great. So I went ahead and I got my little Henry out and I wanted to get rid of as much glass as possible. After clearing up the bulk of the shattered glass, it was time to clear off some of the crash wrap before doing a quick test to make sure that the mechanism for that pan roof was actually working. Now that's a result, it actually works, but this is the part where I need your help. So check this out. Trying to figure out if there's a way of disconnecting this broken glass and reconnecting a brand new unit or replacement unit, and hopefully that sorts that out. If any of you guys got any experience with this or know what I need to do or know where I can source one from, do let me know. So guys, I'll be in the comment section tonight, so any help would be much appreciated. Moving on, it was time to get rid of as much of the glass from the interior as possible before giving the exterior of the car a wash. And trust me, the paintwork underneath was... just wait for it. So I think this car cleaned up quite well and the paintwork underneath was in really good condition, surprisingly. But you tell me what you think in the comments below. So with all the cleaning done, I got the car in the garage and I want to see what's hiding beneath all of these panels. I don't know if I'm going to be in for any more surprises. I don't know if my heart can take it. I think I've already overpaid, so let's tear down the front bumper and see what's hidden beneath. With all the damaged panels removed, as you can see the front slam panel looks alright. A lot of the components beneath the bumper have not been touched, surprisingly, and this is a plus. This is a category in car, meaning that it's non-structural, so I wasn't expecting anything too crazy, but it's always good to see and have that peace of mind. And with all of that sorted, in less than 24 hours, it's time to take the car for a first drive on the estate. Yes guys, this thing rips, but it sounds horrible. I'm definitely changing that exhaust. I hate it. It's too much, but the engine seems to be good. The gears are changing fine. Everything is working great. Let me break down all the bits that I think I need, and I want you to tell me what you think. So guys, in this episode, I took delivery of this lovely Mark 7.5 GTI. You've seen, I've stripped it down, and from what I can see, obviously I need a new headlight because that was smashed. I need a new front bumper. Come have a look at this. I'm gonna try to see if we can repair this wing here. This should be repairable, but if it can't, I'll just get a new wing here. But the number one thing that I'm worried about is this. Now, I thought this was a really good buy, and I thought, you know what, minimal damage, it's a cat in, change a few panels. I've looked at the prices of a new pan roof. It's looking like upwards of £1,000, and that's just gonna blow this budget all through the roof. But do you think we can do it? We're gonna be figuring it out together. And another reason why I bought this car is, as you know, I've been rebuilding a Sky Blue M140. This car is the direct competitor to the M140, and hopefully I can get both of the cars finished, and I'm going to be facing them both off against each other. It's going to be a crazy episode on the track, so stay tuned for that. But for now, this is where we're going to wrap up this video. Let me know what you think of the car. Let me know what you think of the build. Do you think it's an easy repair? Do you think it was worth it? In the next episode, I'm definitely doing something about that exhaust. I hate it. It's too much. This is a Homer Simpson moment. Duh. I bet some of you were watching the screens and thinking, it's not gonna fit deep. It's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit. Hopefully I'll get a few parts in and we'll start the rebuilding process. But this has been it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this episode, press the like button. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, press the subscribe button. And I'm gonna head off. So like I always say, keep it moving and I'll see you in the next one.